What's up, YouTubers and YouTubers? My name is Louis Ning Chung and the art of this channel. Today's video is going to be about contact for a exhibition loan. Before we start, I have a internet link down in the bottom below of the description box below. If you want to buy my art, check out my eBay store and clothing line and Shop Vita clothing line and the website. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like my video, make a comment if you like, and subscribe to my channel. And top of that, before we start, really, let me see, you're gonna get to see some of my artwork besides me showing my face. So I guess it'd be some visual interest into that. This contract is about when an artist wants to loan the art to the exhibitor. So the artist gives the exhibitor the permission to sell the art or to put it on display for the world to see. It is good to have a contract with the exhibitor so everything concerning the art is handled successfully. Here is some way you will look at it as a form to be filled out with the artist and the exhibitor. The agreement made of the day of the year and the location of the address the exhibitor where the art will be displayed. The artist knows what the exhibitor wants to exhibit the art and his location. The two parties know in written form how to handle the artwork. Creation and okay, we're gonna start with number 1. The creation and title. To let the exhibitor know that the artist is that the artist is the creator and a list of schedule of artworks, which you have to include in this particular list is title, date, they created, and medium in size, an insurance value, frame mounting or installation, and condition. So I guess in this list you have to put how many artwork would be displayed in the exhibit. Could be 1 to 20 or 1 to 50, whatever the case may be. So that can be written down for everybody to see for each one. Okay, number 2, duration. Let me see, duration of the loan, manner of the exhibition, and fee. The artist will give the exhibitor the permission to buy the schedule of the artwork list, the beginning date through the end of the date, the art to be the exhibit. The exhibitor will pay for the artist to exhibit the art. Okay, we're gonna go to number 3, delivery and condition of the and care. The exhibitor will be responsible for the delivery of the insurance and listed in the schedule of artworks list. The exhibitor will be responsible for the delivery. Let the artist know the condition of the art and write a plan the exhibit in return the art in good condition. Okay, loss and damage and insurance. The exhibitor will be responsible for loss and damage. This insurance shall be pursuant to the certificate of insurance for the artwork if the artist requested it. And that should be number 4, correct? Okay, so use of artwork. The exhibitor knows that the art can be reproduced without the artist's permission, only to stay in the location of the exhibition. Okay, that also would be number 5. I forgot to mention that. Next one. Okay, framing and installation, cleaning and repairs. The artists agree to frame all the artwork and who will install the art and who will clean and who has to be responsible for the or any repairs that need to be needed Yeah, correct. And the art will remain in the location. Okay, and that's number 6, and under framing and installation and cleaning and repairs. Okay, now as we go to number 7, which is copyright and reproduction. The artist who has the copyright from the art, if the exhibitor can't create any reproductions without the artist's permission. but the exhibitor may produce a catalog with permission from the artist with a fee. That'd be number 7. Now, number 8 with collection of the artist. The collection of the art would be displayed with the label of the art with the artist's name. Okay, so to get this to have understanding what I'm trying to say with this, let's say for example you display the art on the wall, and then those little, if you ever go to every art gallery, you see like a little label that has name and title and medium and date, and also gonna have the copyright under. There's like a little label right under the painting and drawing. Okay, just give me an idea how it looks like. Alright, so we're up to number 9, termination of rights to exhibit the art. The artist has the right to terminate the exhibit for any reason, whatever ever is written in the contract and that violates the contract. Number 10 is non-accessibility. Once the contract is signed, the artist and the exhibitor has the right to change anything in the contract, but both parties must know of this. Okay. So as we're gonna go number 11, the notice and change of address. All parties must notify each other just in case change the address. So they want to change it, they must know. They have to let each other know. Number 12, the governing law. This agreement shall be governed by the laws of the state of whatever state you live in. I live in the state of Florida, so I guess if you want to do more research on that, I guess you can. I'm not an expert on that, but that's something I like to let you know. Okay, so then that to actually, let's see what else. Okay, the last thing of the contract you have to sign. Then the artist and the exhibitor will sign the contract, but keep in mind to have a copy signed, one for the artist and one for the exhibitor. Now, before I end this video, there's something you have to know, that when you have to have both copies of the contract. One had to be signed by hand, the artist's name, and both have to be okay. The artwork fell down. Okay, no big deal. Anyway, so like I said, you have to have one copy for the artist, one copy for the exhibitor, but both of them have to be signed by the artist and the exhibitor. So that way, when being signed by hand. Okay. Just let you know. So if you like this video, give it a like, thumbs up, make a comment if you'd like to add anything else to it, and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is Louis Ning Chang. Thanks for watching.